Hey guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so we know, and subscribe here for more. This is an example of what we call a custom choreography, where we create a dance custom for our clients. So you can purchase this one now if you really loved it and use it as your own, learning it step by step. We also do offer custom choreography options, which I've linked below in the description for you, so you can go check that out as well. And we do have a ton of more content on our website. If you didn't know, ballroomfeed.com. If you want to learn more dance and you want to support us, that's where to find us. Thanks guys, see you in the next one.